Hello guys, welcome back to Lytical Preps. Please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more exciting and tricky questions together. Thank you for doing that. So we are having 6 exponent 7 minus 6 is equal to, we don't know, so we need to simplify this without using a calculator. So let's start by the way. So this can say that is equal to, so consider 6 exponent 7. Can we write it as 6 exponent 1 plus 6 plus 6? Okay. And this is equal to this in algebra. You can rewrite it as 6 exponent 1. Okay. Multiplied by 6 exponent 6 minus 6. Okay. And it's the same as 6 into brackets. This is so exponent, consider 3 multiplied by 2, which is the same as 6. Okay. Then minus our 1. Okay. Now, in this, we can say that 6, this is equal to 6. This, which is 6 into bracket, exponent 2 minus 1, like this. Okay. So in algebra, we can say that this one is 1 exponent 2. So let's write it again. 6 into bracket, 6 exponent 3 exponent 2 minus 1 exponent 2. Okay, like this. So algebra, we have a minus b all squared, which is differences of 2 squared, okay, which is equal to a minus b, a plus b. So we are going to express the inside bracket to look like this, okay. So 6 into bracket, 6 exponent 3 minus 1, bracket close, then 6 exponent 3 plus 1, and bracket close. So this is our 6 exponent 3 is our A, and then 1 exponent 2 is our B. So 1 is our B, 6 exponent 3 is our A. Okay, so let's continue from here. Now, with this, because we are not using a calculator, we need to simplify this. So 6 exponent 3, we can write it as 6 times 6 times 6, okay? And 6 times 6 is 36, okay? And then 36 times 6, we are going to get 216, okay? Like this. So we will write this as 6 into bracket 216 minus 1, bracket close, then this one 216 plus 1, bracket close. Okay, so which is equal to 6 into bracket, this one which is give us 215, then 216 plus 1, which is 217. So now it's equal to 6 into bracket 215, bracket close. This, let's express this as 200 plus 10 plus 7 so that it will be easy to simplify or multiply. Okay, so now we are going to get, which is equal to 6 to bracket 215 multiplied by 200. So 215 multiplied by 200 plus 215 multiplied by 10 plus 215 multiplied by 7, like this, which is equal to 6 into bracket. Now 215 multiplied by 200, 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times this here, they are all 0. Okay, so we are going to get 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0. Then 2 times 5, we are getting 10. Okay, so remainder 1 here. 2 times 1, you get what? You get 2 plus 1, which is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. Then plus this 215 times 10. So this one 0 times this is 0, 1 times this is this. So we get 1 5 2 1 5 0 plus 215 times 7. So this one 7 times 5, we are getting 35. 35. So 5 minus 3. 7 times 1 is 7. So plus 3, which is 10. So 0 and 1. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 1, which is 15. Okay, let's continue here, which is equal to, so now we get 6 into bracket. Now we need to add all of this together. So now 5 plus 0 is 5 plus 0 is 5. So we have 5. 0 plus 5 is 5 plus 0 is 0. So yet another 5 here. Now 5 plus 1, which is 6, plus 0. So we still get our 6 here. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. So 6. So plus 4 is 6. Okay, so we are having 4 6 6 5 5. Okay, 4 6 6 5 5. Let's continue with this. Now we are going to multiply this. So it's going to be 4 6 6 5 5 multiplied by 6. Don't forget, we are not supposed to use a calculator. So 6 times 5, we are getting 30. So see that 0 remainder 3. 6 times 5 is also 30. So 30 plus 3, we have 3 remainder 3. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 plus 3 is 9. So 39. So 9 remainder 3. 6 times 6 is 36 plus 3 here, get another 39. So 9 remember 3 here. 4 times, so it's 4 times 6. We are getting 24. Okay, 24 plus 3 is 27. So it means that our expression, which is 6 exponent 7 minus 6, is equal to 2799930. Okay, so this is our final answer for the expression. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting questions. Bye bye.